Hi lads, just going to tell you today a little bit about Corrie formation. First of all, corries start in north-facing mountainsides in cold environments, and the reason they occur in north-facing mountainsides is because that allows the opportunity for the snow to settle and begin to form the start of a corrie. Initially, a corrie starts off as a hollow in the mountainside, as you can see here, and snow falls into the hollow and accumulates where I put my X's here. More and more pressure builds up and eventually the air is expelled, a bit like when you make a snowball and you crush that snowball so that the air is expelled to leave a thick block of ice. Your block of ice might look a little bit like this, and it doesn't become a glacier until it starts to move downhill. As you can see here, I've drawn a large crevasse. This is known as the Bergschen crevasse, and it's particularly important because it is where scree falls into the bottom of the glacier. Now that scree, as you know, will be really important for abrasion. The scree has originally occurred due to freeze-thaw occurring on the mountain up here. The other good thing about the Bergschen crevasse, it means that rainfall or snowfall can also get down into the base of the glacier. With water at the base of the glacier, that is going to aid lubrication, which means that the rotational slip movement is going to be able to increase. The rotational slip movement means that the head wall becomes steeper and steeper as time passes, and it also helps pronounce the rock clip which you have here. The rock clip could also be created by terminal moraine, blocking in the end, blocking in the corrie into the circular shape. So, in summary, key terms that you need to remember when you're asked about corrie formation is that, first of all, you need to be aware of this being known as the head wall. You need to know that abrasion and plucking are occurring here at the base. You must be aware of the Bergschen crevasse here. You need to be aware of the movement, which is rotational slip, which helps create this rock clip. You must also be aware of terminal moraine, which could be blocking in the corrie at the end. And finally, when this glacier melts, you may well get left behind a lake, which is known as a tarn. If you include all of those key terms, and probably to make sure you briefly explain what plucking and abrasion is, you should be able to get full marks on a question about corrie formation. Piece of cake really, lads. Enjoy.